You read this first word problem here. The only key word here is decreases. So this is just a generic appreciation, depreciation problem. So the formula that you should be using is this one. Now it's a plus or minus, but since it's decreasing, we know it's going to be minus. A couple of you put a plus right there. Okay, so we're starting with the bag of kibble contains 200,000 pieces of food. That is what you're starting with. That would be your principal. Right? That's not how much you have left, because how many pieces are left after 2 weeks, that's going to be the A. So your P here is going to be 200,000. The price, 4% per day. So the rate that's right there, it's going to be 4%. But 4% is not the number 4. Percent literally means over 100. Like per means over. Like you see, like miles per hour, it's miles over hours. So per means divide. And cent, C-E-N-T, is the prefix for century, which is the same thing as 100 years, right? So C-E-N-T actually means 100. So a percent literally means divide by 100. So if you do 4 divided by 100, what it does is it moves this decimal place, the one that's right there, it moves it 2 places, right? Because there are 2 zeros in 100. So 4% is not 4, and it's not 0.4, it's 0.04. That's what you're going to be using for R. And then how many pieces are left after 2 weeks? So my time, a lot of you put the number 2 there, but notice that the rate is per day. By the way, these pugs are eating every day, not every week, not just once a week. So how many pieces are left after 2 weeks? That's going to be 14 days. It's the same thing as 14 days. So you need to make sure you're putting a 14 right there for your T.